Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making Valentine's Day packages. This video was taken on the 13th of February, and then the delivery of the packages after the boxing and everything was done was delivered on Val's Day, which was yesterday. So that's basically what will be done in the video you'll be watching in a few minutes. With that said and done, happy Valentine to each and every one of you. Enjoy this month with love, peace and joy. Now the items we'll be using today include 2 cupcake boxes which will be used in packaging 6 cupcakes each, Val's Day inspired gift wrappers, red ribbons which will be used as flowers to tie the parcel wrappers or the gifts wrappers. Then we'll also make use of some whipped cream which I've colored in 3 different shades: red, baby pink, and finally white. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. In this video, we have already baked our red velvet and vanilla cupcakes, which we have a recipe to on the channel. You can check that out, and I'll also link it in the description box below. And then we proceeded to transform the vanilla cake batter into a chocolate cupcake batter. This was done with 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and then ½ cup of full cream milk. Combining these 2 ingredients with the already vanilla made cupcakes batter, we had this chocolate cupcake as being seen in the video being displayed. After the cupcakes are baked, remove them from the cupcake sheets and then place them onto a cooling rack to cool down completely for at least 20 minutes. Also, in this video, we'll be packing butter cookies, which I have a recipe to on the channel already, and that was posted during the Christmas, so you can check that out, and I'll link it in the description box as well. This is what we'll be packing for each box. The cupcake boxes were purchased, and then I made the boxes which were used in packaging the butter cookies. First things first, we'll be packaging the butter cookies just as you are watching in the video as I'm doing. And this is the final look of the packaged butter cookies. I'm yet to cover it with the top part of the box. Since the butter cookies have been packaged, let's move on to the cupcakes. Now I'm fixing the cupcakes into the insert holes, and then I'll proceed to the piping of the frosting on top. This is the cute workstation we'll be using today. Basically, frosting, sprinkles, Val's Day inspired toppers, and other stuff, which you will see in the video as we go on. With the aid of a 1M tip, which has already been placed into a piping bag filled with frosting, pipe your preferred designs on top of the cupcakes. You can also use any other piping tip of your choice. I used the 1M piping tip. In addition, you can make round movements like being shown in the video or any other design you prefer. like stars, circles, a rosette, just anything you want to pipe. All this piping was done as the bags and the colors were alternated. So if I use the red one first, I switch up to the pink one and then to the white, depending on the designs I was making. Now, since the sprinkles are bigger and I can use my hands to pick it, I place them onto the sides of the cupcake as I deemed perfect or nice. Now I picked up the Val's Day inspired cake toppers and then peeled off the wrappers on the top and bottom parts to reveal the actual look of the topper. Then I went on to place it into one of the cupcakes. Did the same for the other topper and also placed it in another. And this is the final look of the cupcakes. What do you think? You can rate my design in the comment section. After everything was done to the perfection, I covered the box and then went on to add my company sticker or brand sticker. Some also call this the business stick. I then did same for the butter cookies box. The next day, which was on the 14th of February, I proceeded to the decorating of the next batch of cupcakes for my second order that very day. And then afterwards, I proceeded to the packaging of the orders. So that is basically what will be done in this part. Decorating the cupcakes with frosting, which is whipped cream frosting. This is how the cupcakes look like after all the decoration was done. It's time for me to add onto it the sprinkles, which I'll be doing by hand, like I did yesterday. After adding the sprinkles, I closed the box and then added onto the top parts my sticker. And these are the orders that I'll be delivering today, which is basically yesterday. Let's package the order. Pick up the Val's Day inspired gift wrapper. Place into it the cupcake box on the bottom and then place on top of that box the butter cookies box. Now I added onto it some chocolates and then folded the top parts together by securing it with the red ribbon, as you are watching me do in the video. With the aid of a scissors, I curled the ends of the red ribbon to give it a bit of a flare. And this is the final look. I placed that aside and then went on to the packaging of the second one. All this was done on the 14th of February and delivered on the 14th of February. To make the flowers, I pulled out 2 long strands of the ribbon in the middle part of the whole thing. As you push it, it's going to give off this flower look, just as I did earlier. Now with the same process, I then brought the ends of the wrapping Now the packages are ready to be delivered. Thanks to all those that ordered, and God richly bless you all. You can check out a short video on the channel on how it was delivered and the reactions of those that I delivered it to. After the delivery was made, I had another order to bring the following day, which was on the 15th of February, and this was how I went about that one too. After the designing of the cupcakes, or let me make it correct, the decorating of the cupcakes, I then went on to tie it with the red ribbon and then placed it in a packaging wrapper, which will be delivered on 15th of February. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.